Welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to create a resource request for a project, opportunity, or as a proactive request within the recruitment module of KEBS. Once the user navigates to the recruitment application, he or she can click on the Create button. The Create Resource Request form appears. In this form, the user can specify the particulars and prerequisites about the resource to be hired, and the approvers for the same are loaded based on the selected org type. The cost for procuring the resource is also calculated and displayed once the location details are provided. The user can select if the request is for a project or opportunity or a proactive request by clicking on the tabs under the Requester Information section. The user can mention the name of the opportunity or the project in case they are selecting the same. The existing opportunities and projects are retrieved and displayed. Finally, the originator name and description is provided. Once all the mandatory fields are filled, the user can either save the request as a draft or submit the same. The request is created successfully and is landed on the recruitment app. Thank you for watching.